If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where you are solving previous year JEE main questions on inverse trigonometry. So in this lecture we will be solving 4 questions, question number 1 to question number 4. Okay, then let's see this. Okay, if you see question number 1, what is given? Cos inverse x minus cos inverse y by 2 is equal to alpha. Then they have asked you to prove something of this fashion, 4x square minus 4xy, this one. So this one, you can apply this cos inverse a minus cos inverse b, that is cos a minus b. What was cos a minus b? Cos a cos b, cos a cos b minus plus sin a sin b. So sin a, then sin b. So these were the formula. So I have to send that alpha this side, so it becomes xy by 2 is equal to plus 1 by x square into 1 minus y square by 4 is equal to cos alpha. Now because you have to involve xy and cos alpha, so you bring cos alpha this side, so it will be xy by 2 minus cos alpha is equal to minus, or you can do the reverse way also, no issue. Now you have to square it, so if I square both sides, then it will be x square y square by 4 plus cos square alpha minus 2, and xy by 2 will be gone, it will be xy cos alpha, and it will be, if you take the directly, I am writing the product, 1 minus x square minus y square by 4 plus x square y square by 4. So these and these get cancelled. So finally if you take 4 as a LCM, you will get 4 cos square alpha is equal to 4x square minus 4xy. So something of this fashion, 4 cos square alpha minus 4, this will come minus 4, and then minus 4x square minus y square. So if you take 4 common, then it is cos square minus 1, that is sin square you can write. So if I take minus now common, so it will be 4 sin square alpha is equal to 4x square minus 4xy cos alpha plus y square. So this one they are asking, 4x square minus 4. So you have already got, the answer is 4 sin square alpha, that is your option D. If you see question number 2, so sin this cosec this equal to pi by 2. So if you see pi by 2, so one temptation generally comes, because we can use that sin inverse x plus cos inverse equal to pi by 2. So for that you need to change this one cosec. So cosec we can change to easily sin. So if I change this cosec into sin, so it will be sin inverse, then you can take the reciprocal, because it will be sin inverse 1 by x. Now if you bring this pi by 2 that side, that will be sin inverse x by 5 is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse 4 by 5. We have already done one basic questions on this. So it will be cos inverse 4 by 5, that is sin inverse x by 5. So now if both are sin inverse, then we could have cancelled it out. So how to take, we can use now for JEE main, you use triangle, it will be easy for you. Cos inverse 4, this is 5, suppose if it's theta, then what will be sin inverse for this theta? So this is 5 square minus 4 square, this is 3. So sin inverse, if you take this one, it will be 3 by 5. So sin inverse theta, you can directly write it from this one, it is nothing but 3 by 5. So from here, if you can think that I have cancelled sin inverse, actually I have not cancelled, I have taken sin both sides. So actually then x is equal to 3, that is your option B. Now if you come to third one, the cot of cosec inverse plus tan inverse, this one. Again from cosec you can write it in terms of tan, then you can have this formula tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. So that again we will go for that triangle, cot cosec inverse 5 by 3 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. So how to write cosec inverse 5 by 3. So which one will be 5, which one will be 3? This one will be 5, this one will be 3. This is theta, that is cosec theta. So if you want to convert it into tan, so it will be 4. This one will be 5 square minus 3 square 4. So what will be tan theta here? 4 by 3 by 4. So you can write it cot tan inverse 3 by 4. That is tan inverse. So using this triangle it becomes very easy. You can directly convert it. Now you can write it tan A plus B by tan A minus tan B. So if you do this one, it will be cot tan inverse 17 by 6. Now tan inverse you can write anytime cot inverse by interchanging, by taking the reciprocal only. So cot inverse 6 by 17. So cot and cot inverse will get cancelled. The answer will be 6 by 17. That is your option B. Now if you come to question number 4, if x, y, z in are AP and these are also in AP, then. So if you x, y, z in AP, then you have 2y equal to x plus z. This one we know. This is given, and this is also given, tan inverse. So 2 tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse z. Because there is an also in AP, so twice of this one should be equal to some plus. Now this you can have a formula, tan 2 theta formula, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, and this is tan A plus B by 1 minus AB. So 10 10 you can think of, I am cancelling it out. Actually I am not cancelling. So instead of 2y you can write x plus z, then x plus z also get cancelled. So what I am writing, instead of this one I am writing this. So it becomes this, and again x plus z by 1 minus xz. So what you will get? Ultimately you will get y square equal to xz. This will cancel, 1 will cancel. So what does it mean? It means xyz they are in GP also. So xyz in AP also, xyz in GP also. If both it is in AP and GP, then we have already seen in progression all three are same. If they had to be AP at the time, same time there has to be GP also. That means they have all three should be equal, 2 2 2. Then they are in AP also, common difference is 0. Then we can say they are in GP also, common difference is 1. So that is your option A. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.